Are we searching for the best bong cleaner? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best bong cleaner. We recommended the top 4 best bong cleaner in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best bong cleaner, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Formula 400 Glass Metal Ceramic Pipe Cleaner. It is favored for its heavy dirt remove ability and fast acting ingredients. It is also recyclable, environment friendly, and does not contain any harmful substance. This is one of the fastest and most effective bong cleaners available on the market. It is robust solution containing raw salt. Thus, the formula is 10 times better than alcohol and its track is way more delightful. Moreover, its usage is also straightforward. Shake on the bottle to get the perfect mixture of liquid and salt. Then mix the solution with a little hot water or pour it straight into your glass bong. The powerful solution is remove any stubborn stains. Number 2. Grandmaster Smoke Soak and Wash Biodegradable Formula Bong Cleaner. This cleaner will help you remove all the wax and resin deposit that stick deep into your bong, therefore restoring your pieces back to the original look. It has developed a formula that can clean deep into the bong's hard-to-reach area to deliver precise result. It is an acetone-free, salt-free, and absorptive-free solution for glass bong of all shapes and sizes. Moreover, the solution is gentle enough to clean your most fragile part but also tough enough to revive any bongs. In particular, properly cleaning and maintaining your glass bongs with Grandmaster Soak and Wash Biodegradable Bong Cleaner will create a smooth smoke and enhance the cloud's taste and smell as well. Number 3. K-Layer Kryptonite Glass Cleaner. This glass cleaner is quick, easy, makes almost no mess. A catch is situated in the middle of my piece, making it too difficult to clean with traditional methods. It strip it right off. It took 3 rounds of cleaning, but each repetition reduced the amount of gunk significantly. Plus, it is safe to use of skin if you accidentally get resin on the hand. If you are hesitant about investing in the whole shebang, give a teeny bottle a try. Number 4. Ganj of Super Soaker Glass Pipe Cleaner. This is a special cleaning solution with eco-friendly ingredients. Primarily, the solution is also highly biodegradable and has no chemicals or abrasives such as salt and an unpleasant odor. Despite the gentle ingredients, the effectiveness of the bong cleaning is unmatched. Furthermore, guns of Super Soaker can also be reused many times, thus it is perfect for you to save your budget. Besides, guns of Super Soaker smell like soap. This is a big plus compared to other nasty cleaners. Moreover, it is very gentle on your skin. Additionally, Ganj of Super Soaker is simply to use to fill your glass bong with Ganj of Super Soaker solution and let it to soak overnight. Then you can rewash with warm water. With no need for scrubbing, your bong will be clean and shiny like new.